Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has gained 0.2% in the last session. The ROC shifted sharply into the negative area. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is warming up and is now giving a neutral signal. The sterling-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has bounced upwards into overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The CCI moved sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The VIX fear gauge soared as the Dow Jones S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 wobbled. The haven-linked U.S. dollar climbed. Bitcoin's 50% plunge during March has got major crypto whales bidding Bitcoin at around $8,800, according to market data. Facebook said it would stop taking political ads a week before the vote, fact-check any claims of victory ahead of an official tally, and target posts which try to suppress the vote.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German trade balance will be released at 400 GMT, the Eurozone's GDP at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's employment change at 700 GMT, the U.S. NFIB small business optimism at 800 GMT, the U.S. consumer credit at 1700 GMT, and the Japanese M3 money supply at 2150 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.